Are you interested in mimicking English accents? It's a fascinating journey that can enhance your communication skills and cultural understanding. Before diving into specific accents, build a strong foundation in English pronunciation. Learn individual sounds and recognize stress patterns in intonation. Immerse yourself in English media to listen actively to native speakers. Engage with a variety of media and focus on the accent you want to learn. Choose an accent that interests you or is relevant to your learning goals. Common accents include British, American, Australian, and Canadian. Work on replicating distinct vowel and consonant sounds of the chosen accent. Pay attention to tongue placement, mouth shape, and airflow. Visual cues can significantly aid accent mimicry. Watch native speakers speak and observe how their mouths and lips move for specific sounds. Phonetic transcriptions provide a detailed guide to how words are pronounced in a specific accent. Refer to phonetic dictionaries and language resources to learn accurate pronunciation. Recording yourself speaking in the target accent allows you to assess your progress and identify areas for improvement. Listen to your recordings and compare them to native speakers to refine your pronunciation. Interacting with native speakers or language exchange partners gives you the opportunity to practice speaking in a supportive environment. They can offer feedback, correct your mistakes, and provide valuable insights into the accent you're trying to mimic. Pay attention to rhythm and stress patterns specific to the accent you're learning. This helps make your speech more natural and authentic. Accent mimicry takes time and dedication. Be patient with yourself and stay persistent in your practice to see steady progress.